In this tutorial, we are going to learn the basics about working with text. We are first going to open a new document. We will go up to the File menu, click on New. Now we have got a new document to work on. To work with the text, we will first go and select the text button. The text button is shown by a T on it. Click it once and then move it on the drawing page. You will notice an I as shown. There are two ways you can access a text button. The first way is to simply click within your margins. We have clicked once and then we can type the text that we want. But before we do that, I would like to change the view of my screen so that you can see the text clearly. We will simply go up to the View menu and select the actual size. You can then type in the text that you want. If you make a mistake, then use the I button and place it where you want to make changes. You can also navigate in between your text by using the right and the left arrow buttons. To see the text box itself, go on the arrow button, click on it, and then click anywhere on the text. You can see the selection handles on the text box. The window-shaped selection handles appear on the screen as shown. You can click on the selection handles and drag. If you want to move the text to a different place, simply click anywhere on the text and move it to the desired place. If you want to move the text up, simply click on the window shape and drag it up. It will move the top of the text up and the bottom will follow. The second way to write a text tool is to select the text button and then to click and drag a box. This will set up the boundaries of the text, and then we will repeat the text that we had already typed. We notice that the text will automatically wrap up. You can also change the dimensions of the text box by simply clicking on any one of the selection handles and by dragging it. We can go to the Edit menu and click on Select All to select all the text boxes. Similarly, we can deselect it by going to the Edit menu and selecting Deselect All. We can also click on the text box, reduce the size, drag the remaining text and open it elsewhere. We can see the plus sign at the end of the first and the start of the second box. This indicates that the text is being continued elsewhere. The plus sign will go away once all the text is joined together. We can also copy the text we want by clicking and dragging the text we want to copy. Then click on Edit and Copy. We can then go to our desired location and click on Edit and click on Paste. Similarly, we can cut and paste the required text too. In this session, we had a look on basics of writing a text, copying, and other editing options.